Hey, what is going on, guys? It's Top Gaming Tech Place here. Welcome back to another PS4 video. So in this one we will look at how you can jailbreak the PS4 on 11.00 with your PC. By the way, like the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. Okay, so first I have to create a folder and extract this light loader into the folder. Then after the app is extracted, I will now choose my system's software version. So after all this is done, I will now connect my PS4 to my PC with an Ethernet cable. Alright, so at this point, I will set this connection on my PS4 as well as the Ethernet cable is connected to my PC and PS4. So on my storage, I have the latest Goldhen copy to it root. So at this point I will run the app. Please, if you have any questions, feel free to comment down at the comments section. Maybe your questions might help someone out there as well. At this point, if you find value in this content, then please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. Please, if you will love to know how you can install games or apps on your jailbroken PS4, then do not hesitate, let me know about it at the comments section, and also do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed.